We have a 43-year-old thermostat that is model M7-D, 18 amp, 277 vac, 22 amp, 125, 250 vac, double line break. What can I replace it with?
Hello. My name is XXXXXXXXXX. I'll do my best to help. You should be able to use the M60225 http://www.moreelectrocheating.com/default.asks. Page equals item plus detail, item code equals MERS10015 and catlist equals 1460 http://www.ebay.com/im/Robert Shaw line voltage thermostat model M60225 double line break new inbox /3807467900025 airheatman 41670.7762162963.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.